You also know YouTube. This is Edu Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode. You know, some people keep asking me, you know, from all the trimmers I've been unboxing, and reviewing which one is the best. So let me tell y'all, the video is coming soon, so stay tuned. So right now, let's make unboxing for the Ckeyin. Ckeyin? I don't really know. Ckeyin, aka Kemei 127. Alright.
Pourquoi non m'a fait n'ariere? Perché ni kote agima?
So, this is how I got the box. And I don't know if maybe it's a fake or not. I don't really know. Because it's somehow, I don't feel okay with this type of box. Nothing on the body, and I've searched internet, and somehow with this product, Ckeyin or Kkeyin, I don't know how to pronounce it. The box are like this, and nothing on the body I could read or something like that, just a carton. That's it. So let's open it. Keep this aside. Okay. Charging cable. 1, 2, 3 guards. Manual and a little brush. That's it. So now to the trimmer. Why I feel this is not original or something like that, it's, let's take this off. It's because of this logo here. This logo, it's like a sticker. They stick to it. You see that? And you can easily take this off. You see that? The same version. It's a Kemei 127. And for the Kemei 127, the sticker is not stick to it. That's one I would have buy. And Osgur got the same. See that? Just here written professional hair clipper. And here the LCD display on and off switch. And here it's written 5 watts, 3 watts. And for Osgur, I guess it was written 12 watts, he said. But on the website where I bought it, it was written 12 watts. And on the manual, inside, it's written 12 watts. And here, 3 watts. So I don't know what to believe anymore, So, see that for yourself. Charging time, 3 hours. Somehow pretty zero gap. And my homeboy Rich Natural also got it. Then he changed only the blade, and he said it's really good. Rich Natural said it's good. Everybody got his own taste. It can cut if you change it, no, for sure. And if you don't change it, it can cut, but not really when you change it with T-wide blade. And for me, it's a ugly trimmer. And here you can get yourself injured. Here, the finishing, it's not good for me. Here is too sharp, you can injure yourself here. And the back, very ugly too. So let's turn it on. It's okay. It is faster than 1973. I guess 1973 got high torque, So this is my 1973. Just take a good look at these two trimmers. 1973 gold is more shiny, and this one, I don't know, the gold is a little bit dull. You hear that? In 1973, you hear that? It's definitely faster than 1973, but 1973 got more torque, higher torque than this one. But then this one, Kemei 129, and this one got the same RPM. So you hear this one, but this one just got one speed, and this one, you hear it's more smoother. You hear somehow this 6,000 RPM, it's the same speed like this one got in 6,500 RPM and more. You hear this one is much more faster. So I will make a RPM test. So as you can see, it's 6,379. So now this and first speed. Hear that? Second speed. See that? And third speed. You see that? This one is much more faster than this one. That's it, guys, for this trimmer, for this Ckeyin, aka Kemei 127. And soon I'm gonna make a video for all the trimmers that I've tested, which one is the best. I guess you will be surprised with the outcome, which one is the best, So, peace out, guys. Yeah.
Okona mafena riere, okona, 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 okona. Lekeni poti agima, ewa.